Addressing mode is a very important concept in microprocessors. For example, if you take data transfer instructions, the data is transferred from source to destination. So here the data transfer does not mean that, here the data transfer means that whatever the data in source is copied to the destination and the data in source is unchanged. So in data transfer instructions, the data is transferred from source to destination. Here the source may be a register or an input port or a memory or even data. And the destination can be an output port or a memory location or a register. So this source and destinations are known as operands. For specifying operands, different formats of operands is known as addressing mode. So there are 4 types of addressing modes. Number 1 is immediate addressing mode. Number 2, register addressing mode. And number 3, direct addressing mode. Number 4, indirect addressing mode. So first, let me explain you about immediate addressing mode. So in immediate addressing mode, data is a part of instruction. So for example, MVI or D, this is a destination register data. So here you can see that data is provided in the instruction itself. In register addressing mode, data is not provided in the instructions, but data will be given inside a register or a memory. So for example, let me explain you. Move or D or S. So this is source and this is destination. So here the memory is provided inside, the data is provided inside source register, and the data in the source register is transferred to the destination register. Direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the data is transferred from input port to accumulator, as well as data is transferred from accumulator to output port. So let me explain you with the help of an example in 00H or out 01H. So in 00H means the data is transferred from input port to accumulator, and out 01H means the data is transferred from accumulator to output port. Finally, indirect addressing mode. So in indirect addressing mode, effective address is calculated. So let me give you an example. So LDAX, load accumulator indirect. So here effective address is calculated. So finally, let me conclude my lecture. Microprocessors are having very wide range of applications, and microprocessors are used for control as well as information processing applications in many systems. And in earlier days, vacuum tubes are used for information processing and control applications, and which are replaced by transistors. And after the invention of integrated circuit, microprocessors are used for control as well as information processing applications. And there are many varieties of microprocessors available. And depending upon our application, we have to select one. And 8085. The architecture and the programming concepts of 8085 are very simple. So it is advisable for the beginners to learn 8085 as an introduction to microprocessor programming. Thank you.